Creating motion graphics no longer requires advanced editing software or design experience. Simply open any browser and search for Flow AI, then open the website and start a new project. Once you're inside the workspace, select the Video Generation option and head over to the Video section. Here you can customize the settings based on your project requirements. For example, you can choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, select 1x video generation, and pick your preferred generation model for faster results. Next, click on the prompt box and describe the motion graphic you want to create. For example, you could write, "Animated business chart with rising graphs, smooth transitions, modern motion graphic style, clean typography, professional presentation look." The more details you provide, the better the final output will be. After writing your prompt, click on the Generate button and let the AI create your motion graphics video. The generation process usually takes only a short time. Once your video is ready, preview the result and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with it, simply click on the three-dot menu and select the Download option to save the motion graphics video directly to your device. This is a great way to create professional-looking animated graphics, presentations, explainer visuals, and social media content without needing any design skills.